Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you and I hope that you will join me. Let's start with these. I found some new prayer cards. They're really cute. Look at this. And you get 20 cards in each package. And this is what they look like. How cute, right? And you got your Bible verses on the back side. Very nice. And then there's this one, and that's what the package looks like. Again, 20 cards. Look at that. I love the floral. And you got your verses on the back side also. Very nice. I'm quite happy with that. And then I picked up a towel. It says can't touch this. How cute, right? I just like that phrase, can't touch this. So I picked it up. Peeled that off. Look at that, how cute. Really nice. I only picked up the one. And then I picked up some candles. I picked up this. It is like a coral color. How cute, right? It is clear orange though. A very pale colored orange candle. I picked up 3 of these. And I picked up 2 of these. I had picked up one before, and I found I needed 2 more, so I picked up 2 more. And then this one doesn't have a color on there, but it is the lavender color. See, nice, right? And I found these candles. Look at these. They're glittered. I don't know how well that burns, but quite interesting. I would like to see what it looks like when it becomes all liquidy. And it is also a lavender color. And these candles are, what, about 3 inches high? And about 2.5 inches across. I thought them really cute. I thought they would make a really cute addition to my centerpiece. And I'm going to put it on the candlestick, but I'm going to put them like at different heights. You know, I think it'll work out really well. I'm quite happy I found these. I was going to pick up the regular violet color they normally carry, but then I found these. These were tucked way underneath the shelf. And I'm glad I found those. And then I picked up some ribbons. I picked up 2 of these. It's by Yama Ribbon Mega. And let's see, I picked up this one. This is 5/8 by 25 yards. And these are black ribbons. And this is satin. And also this one, this is also satin. This one is 3/8 inch by 25 yards. Cute, right? I like them. I love my ribbons. And then I picked up some, of course, more ribbons. Now these are new. I mean, Dollar Tree has sold this ribbon before. It is satin. Look at that. And then this is the new one that just came out. And this one is, well, it says satin ribbon. Look at that. So, see, compared the two. The image on the satin one, the first one, is a little smaller than the new one. But I just wanted to compare the two for you in case you're wondering. So this is the new one, and it does have the edges is sewn. Look at that. And then here is the honeycomb one, and it's also sewed on the edge. And let's see, let me show you the original one on the honeycomb. This is the original one you found previously. Look at that. See how the tones is a little brighter on this one. Look at that. So this is the new set here, and then this is the previous set. It's quite a noticeable difference. But yeah, so I found these two, and I picked up 4 spools of each color, and then I found this one. This is 5/8 by 9 yards, and then this is in the farmhouse collection, and that's what that looks like. And let's see what it says. It's 100% polyester. So a very nice collection, right? That combined with my black ribbons, I want to use them all together in whatever else I have in my supply box. Look at that. When you do buy the collection itself in the box at Dollar Tree, you'll find that it does, they do add additional plain ribbons like the blacks, and I believe there's also gray in the collection. But look at that. How cute is that going to look? Just adorable. So I'm happy I found these. I did pick up 4. No, I only picked up 2. I picked up 2 of these. And then I picked up 4 of the wider ribbons. And let me put these aside. I found some cute little boxes. Look at these. This, you get 2 boxes in the package. You get, 5 by 2.7 by 5.27 by 2.7 inch. I figure it says I'm buying bees, and honeycombs, and I came across this. I need this one too. And that's what the inside looks like. Cute. So these are the 2 sizes. And then I picked up a second package, just this one. And I tossed the package already somewhere. I can't find it. It's somewhere in my pile. And then you get 2 of these also. Look at that. Cute. 4 different sizes. How adorable. I probably will display it with my candles. Look at this. What else I can find? Oh, while I'm at it, let me show you what else I found. It kind of goes with all this collection here. I found some new flowers. Look at that. How cute, right? So these are called wildflowers. And I picked up 6 picks. Look at that. I like this. It's flocked. And look at the petals. How adorable. Very cute. I'm quite happy with that one. And I then found this one too. Look at this. Just cute. This is the first time I've seen this pick. So you get some tiny white flowers. You get the flock. You get the, what is it, a mum? And then the little petals there. And look at this. It has this little curly thing on there. How adorable. And then this one is called Farmhouse Floral Pick. It makes you wonder if there's like other colors in this collection, right? But look at that, how they all go together. Even if I put my bees with my my new candles later on, if I displayed them all like this together, how cute, right? I'm quite happy with that. I don't know, but it just worked out like that for me. I only found 3 of these picks, these farmhouse picks. So I'm going to keep a watch out and see if I can find any other colors that they have. I found these too. I just had an accident. Sorry. Look, I broke both of them. It fell off my table. So this says, "Don't worry, be happy," and it has the little bee, and it's got like a half of a wreath. How cute! I am sorry that I can't take it out because like I said, I broke both the glass. I had planned to take out the print anyways, so it'll still work out with my project. But I'm quite happy I found this print. I picked up 2 of these square black frames. I needed the frame is why I picked it up. And these square frames are, let's see, they're 10-inch. So I needed 2 for my project, so I picked up 2 of the square ones. I picked up 1 solid black one. See there? It is a rectangular frame. And this one says, "Together is our favorite place to be." But I needed the frame itself. I will just take that print out. I may reuse that in something else. And then these are, so 8-inch and then 12-inch. So I got 1 solid black. And then this one is black. It is a beaded gold trim all the way around. And I'm going to use these 2 frames just like that. And I can reuse the print in something else too. It's such a cute little print, right? Just the blue and the white vases. I picked up 2 of these frames also. This is a 5x7 frame, but if you measure the full frame itself, it is almost 10. Yeah, it's 10 1/4 inch long, 8 inches this way. So this is new for me. See this? It's like a distressed whitewash frame. And then I picked up these 2 frames. It holds 2 4x6 pictures, but I need the frame. So this is it's like it looks silver, but it has like a goldish tone to it. And then you got the bead that runs on the inside of the frame there. How nice, right? And then these are, so 9 inches this way and 11 by that way. So that is my Dollar Tree haul today, and I hope I was able to show you a few items that you have been wanting to pick up. I had fun shopping at my Dollar Tree this week, and I will definitely go back and look for more items because that is just what I do. I love these little towels. These are so cute. I want to find a way to use my towel in one of my projects. It'll be really cute, right? And I'm quite happy with my boxes. Oh, I meant to mention this. I saw these candles in silver and in red. If you need a glittered silver or glittered red candle. I was thinking, well, it's a little too Christmassy. So I didn't pick those up. But I'm quite happy I found the rest of all these goodies. Yeah, I definitely will be keeping a watch out for some more florals. I am quite happy with some of the new cute little florals coming in through our Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.